This is a ticker I was interested in the IPO of when it initially launched. Crazy price tag, still kind of crazy. Didn't hold for too long. We're gonna completely redo this chart. I feel like I might have done it on a prior stream, but we're gonna completely redo this chart. Log off. Hazel, can you see this right now? I've been hearing that Facebook's having a lot of problems today. Are you actually seeing this stream right now on Facebook? Really? I didn't think it was going right now. It's back up. Facebook's back up. Facebook's back up, everyone. Sounds like Facebook's back up. Yeah, Facebook had a wild day. We're going to cover them in a minute here. Yeah, feel free to enjoy the stream. If there's anything in particular you'd like me to cover, feel free to ask at any time. Yo, what's up? Yeah, I did hear that Zuckerberg took a big hit. Yeah, we are going to cover that for sure. Right now, we're talking about Spotify. We will be covering Facebook later on in this video, so make sure to stick around. Gang Spotify. Yeah, I like. Fundamentally, I have a Spotify, so take that for what you will. Very true, very true. Spotify is better than Apple Music, I can attest. We're not friends anymore. Why is that? Why is that? We can still be friends. You're just saying that. You're kidding. You're kidding. You're kidding. I'm for real the worst at messaging people back. I swear. I swear. I'm for real the worst at messaging people back. Just give it time. Sometimes it happens. Or feel free to double message me. I'm open to it. I'm just the worst at messaging people back. Yeah. The less time I spend on social media, the better in my mind. But yeah, you can come into Discord right now and talk to me if you want on stream. Yes, it is a constant cycle of picking things up and putting it down. Discord. Okay. I'm just putting the offer out there. Mystic, say hi to Hazel. Hazel, this is Mystic. He's my mod. I know you're just kidding. Thank you for stopping by, though. I really appreciate it. Yeah, make sure to visit the website, ethanrun.com. Yes, Mystic, actually. So the way the... Here, let me mute this song real quick. The way the Restream IO chat works, it's actually really cool. It allows me to stream across multiple platforms at the same time. It's really cool. It also involves a lot of like variables and settings and setting up all these different sites. But I personally thought Facebook was down today, but apparently we're streaming on Facebook at the moment, as well as Twitch, as well as YouTube. We used to stream on Periscope until Twitter bought Periscope and killed Periscope. Rest in peace. Yeah. And the way Restream IO will work is it'll sync all the chats between all the platforms. You know, it's really innovative. It's actually really cool. You don't see a lot of people doing it, though, because in Twitch terms of service, if you're an affiliate or if you're a partner or if you want to run ads, I think cross-streaming is not recommended or something along those lines. But that's why you don't see ads on my stream. Posture check. Make sure your posture's good. This is gonna start looking like Bonds real soon. Hey Mystic, if you still hear me, do you have any recommendations for copyright-free music to play? Do you have any recommendations for that? I'm welcome to play anything. I don't know if you know someone who makes music, or if you have a particular playlist that you like to listen to. Thank you, Mystic. That would be much appreciated. I just want to make sure you guys are good. Make sure you guys are listening to what you want to listen to, watch what you want to watch. Oh yeah, Mystic. The chat also syncs up with the Discord. I'm not sure if you've noticed the Restream IO channel in the Discord. So somebody right now, for example, can type hello, and that should be visible on your end. Whoa, yeah, see? It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Nice service. One of their employees, maybe marketing team or whatever, reached out to me once. Very nice people over there. Restream, highly recommend it for people who aren't planning on having ads played over their content anytime soon. Okay. So where do we start with this one? Where do we start? So this is Spotify. Everyone knows them. As you saw, Hazel definitely knew him. Definitely recommends them over Apple Music, and I agree. I also have a Spotify account, to be fair. Let's talk about more of the financial side of the fund. Hello. Mystic, tell me if the... Thank you for telling me. Can you hear me? Let's make sure my gain is set properly. Hello. Testing 1, 2. Mystic, I highly appreciate you for letting me know the mic is going all wonky. Does it sound better now? Would you be able to let me know if it sounds better? Is this good? Am I still good? On my side, it looks pretty good now. Better? How can I make it sound better? Should I turn the gain up or down? Let me know. Up or down? I need to know. And I would highly appreciate it relative to the music. Okay. I'm going to be watching for your comment, but I'm going to continue here. So this is Spotify. Fundamentally great. We all have their products. You think it's good now? Fantastic. Okay, great. Thank you. This is Spotify. They make a great product. We do like them more than Apple Music as far as a product goes. Financials. Again, this is a relatively young company. It's the third young company we've mentioned in a row. A lot of the tech sector, you could say, is new. It just is. In 2017, Spotify's financials, let's see here. Looking at a revenue of $4 billion, net income of a negative $1.39 billion, profit margin of negative 30%. That's horrendous. But yeah, that's absolutely horrible. I don't think they were public at that time, so it didn't. No harm, no foul. In 2018, though, they really cleaned up their act. I'm pretty sure this is the year they IPO'd. Yes, I'm correct. They had a profit margin of minus 1.48%. Going into 2019, they had a profit margin of minus 2.75%. And then going into 2020, they had a profit margin of negative 7.37%. You definitely can't blame that one on Corona. No, you definitely can't do that here. How do you explain that? We had the Joe Rogan acquisition. Some people think questionable work culture, maybe. I don't know. So the financials maybe need some work. There is no dividend. They're currently valued at $4.1 billion, smaller than the previous two that we have just looked at. And yeah, that's Spotify. Let's go on to the next one. We've been looking at this one too much, but it did give us a very detailed picture here of what we can expect out of Spotify moving forward. $221 a share. How many other stocks can you say that about? I'd say like 102 is a pretty cool price, but you know, this little support here might show a little bit of a support. It kind of looks like a Head and Shoulders to me personally. You see, I kind of marked that with the blue ABCDs. Head, shoulder 1, head, shoulder 2. That's what it looks like to me. With the descending channel right here, there's a tiny flag here. I'll use tiny lines to try and describe it. This sticker's actually showing quite interesting fundamentals, which is why I'm focusing on it so much. There's a lot that can be learned here. If you had your support a little something like that, and then the red line being your resistance, you'd have a descending pennant flag that seems to be forming here, which would imply a breakout to the downside at some point. Another major keynote, which is why I was looking at the monthly so heavily, is we have our 20 moving average, which has attempted to act as a support for the past 3 going on 4 months now, unsuccessfully. Yeah, that's not great. Ferber, hey, welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for stopping by. How's your portfolio looking today? How's it looking, man? Are you up? I hope you're up. I think that is spot as a total, though. Any questions, comments, concerns? Speak now or forever hold your peace. I'd put a bid in at like where D is. Ferber, I actually do remember you. I do, in fact, remember you. Thank you for coming back to the stream. If there's anything in particular you would like me to cover, feel free to ask at any time, and I would be happy to do technical analysis for you. We do have a pretty good list of things that I want to hit today, like, bullet points. But I'm accepting recommendations for stocks I should cover at any time. Feel free. And for anyone else who might be new here, again, my name's Ethan. You can visit my website, ethanwrenn.com. While you're there, make sure to join the Discord. Check out my other social media outlets, such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. I'm really active in the Discord, so if you want to get a hold of me 24/7 to ask a question, go to Discord. That's where I'm at. As you saw, Hazel earlier said I'm not the best at replying to DMs. If you DM me, I probably won't see it. Go to the Discord. Let me bring their chart up real quick. We're pretty much done with Spotify. We covered it pretty in depth. Did I comment on the 20 moving average? Unsuccessfully attempted to be a support. The monthly 20 moving average on spot, unsuccessfully. It's breaking down, doesn't look good. So I do definitely see the move to D. Okay, next ticker.